Ever wondered about the health benefits of apple cider vinegar, the tangy elixir that's been around for centuries? Known for its distinctive amber color and sharp aroma, apple cider vinegar, or ACV as it's often abbreviated, is a product of fermented apple juice. Tracing back to ancient civilizations, it's been used for everything from preserving food to treating ailments. Today, it's a staple in many kitchens, adding a zesty twist to recipes and serving as a key ingredient in numerous home remedies. Let's dive deeper into the health benefits of this versatile kitchen staple. Apple cider vinegar isn't just a flavorful addition to your dishes. It's packed with potential health benefits that can enhance your well-being. Let's delve into these benefits. First off, it's a powerful digestive aid. By increasing stomach acid production, ACV promotes better nutrient absorption and can provide relief from bloating. When it comes to weight management, ACV may be your new best friend. It's known to promote feelings of fullness, reduce cravings, and improve metabolism, supporting your weight loss efforts. ACV also plays a role in blood sugar control. Some studies suggest it can improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels, which is beneficial for those with diabetes or insulin resistance. Heart health is another area where ACV shines. Regular consumption could reduce cholesterol levels and support healthy blood pressure. As a detoxifier, apple cider vinegar supports the body's natural detoxification processes, flushing out toxins and improving overall health. Its antimicrobial properties may boost your immune system and protect against infections. Moving on to external benefits, diluted ACV can balance skin pH, reduce acne, and soothe skin irritations. It can also be used as a hair rinse to remove buildup, restore shine, and promote scalp health. ACV even contributes to bone health, thanks to minerals like calcium and magnesium, and its antioxidants protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Impressive, isn't it? But remember, always dilute apple cider vinegar before consumption to prevent potential throat irritation. Intrigued by the benefits of apple cider vinegar? Here are some ways to incorporate it into your daily routine. Adding a splash of this tangy elixir to your morning detox drink can kickstart your day. Or drizzle it over salads for a flavor boost while aiding digestion. You can also use it as a marinade, lending a unique tartness to your meats and veggies. Beyond the kitchen, apple cider vinegar can come to your rescue in natural home remedies. A diluted gargle can soothe a sore throat, while a gentle dab on the skin can balance pH levels and tackle acne. Even your hair can benefit from a vinegar rinse, revealing a shine that's hard to miss. But remember, moderation is key. Too much of anything isn't good. And that applies to apple cider vinegar too. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes. Apple cider vinegar, a tangy elixir that's not only a flavorful addition to your meals, but also a potential booster for your health and wellness journey.